definitely no more room left in that bay.
No. Yeah, you ain't got no room for nothing.
You like my lawnmower battery?
Is that what it is? Where is it? Oh, that little guy. Damn. Well, that's hopefully just one of many races we'll have tonight with that Honda. But we're about to head to Hagerstown. Hopefully beat the rain. I haven't been vlogging much since I've been home because I forgot my camera charger of all things. I have 2 batteries. I didn't bring a charger, so I've been kind of holding it off till this weekend and shit, but hopefully we get some good races in. Alright, well fast forward to another day, because it did nothing but fucking rain last night. That's all it does here. And it's sprinkling here again now the next day, but I'm with 3 other turbo Hondas. We're about to grab some fuel, go to a spot, get some digs and some rolls in. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I got a lot to do today, still after this. I got a big party going on later today. Maybe I'll include that in this video, I don't know. But tomorrow morning I'm heading out to Indiana for a couple days, see my mom, all that. But yeah, stay tuned here in a minute, we'll see some races. Good on the car, fucking winning the races. The second Honda, his wastegate came loose, so he wasn't making all the boost, but a race is a race, what can you do? But I'm about to take a ride, one last ride up the mountains here. They're so beautiful, and the turns and everything are just epic. I'm gonna record it on the GoPro here, and just take a nice little cruise before this party starts. that was a nice fun little ride through the mountain. Traffic wasn't too bad. We got to hit them turns pretty good, but I'm down here back in town about to grab like a bunch of beer and chips and stuff to take back with me to New Mexico. There's a nice little ST out here. Jetta. Shits are clean. Alright guys, well I hope you like this video. I gotta be quiet because it's late. I made it to Indiana. I'm hanging out at my mom's crib. She got me a little room all set up in here. Yeah, so I already did like a third of the trip back to New Mexico. I'm leaving tomorrow night to head back to New Mexico all the way. It's like another 16 hours. The ride so far has been really good. Car's holding up great, and I just ordered a set of spark plugs, so they should be in later this week. I got the Brisk 12s this time. I'm gonna step away from the RS7s just because all the problems that they have. I've never had a problem, knock on wood, but just you know, it helps with my brain that I have parts that I know isn't gonna fail or whatever. But I hope you guys like this video. There should be a lot more shit coming out soon. This coming weekend's like Desert Fest and All Out Call Out in Albuquerque. It's a huge car show and lots of racing. There'll be a lot of street racing. There's a lot of shit coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are the bomb. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop.